This is Camilla. Camilla is currently at 144K market cap, 36K in liquidity, 442 holders. Um, this is all DJ, not financial advice. Do your own research. Um, so if you look at this chart, it looks like it's currently trying to bounce off of this 91, 93 range. Let's take a look at their website. The Satoshi's list, Camilla. In the world of cryptocurrencies, the influence of high-profile figures such as Elon Musk and Satoshi, the developer of Shiba Inu, cannot be ignored. Recently, a new cryptocurrency called Camilla token has emerged with the aim of overtaking the popular monkey tokens that recently achieved a market cap of $4 million, all thanks to a mention by Elon Musk on his Twitter page. Okay, so that's basically the story of Camilla. 0% buy, 0% sell. Liquidity is burnt. It's been renounced. Got the Telegram, the Twitter, and their chart. So another Degen coin, another Elon Musk coin. I definitely would recommend just to take a look.